Welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today you are going to practice English for one of the most useful situations in everyday life, ordering food at a restaurant. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant. Do you have a reservation? No, I don't have a reservation. That's okay. How many people are in your party? Just one. Right this way, please. Thank you. Here is your table. Please have a seat. Thank you. Here is the menu, and here is the drink menu. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Would you like something to drink while you look at the menu? Yes, please. I'll have some water. Of course. Would you like still or sparkling water? Still water, please. No problem. I'll bring that right away. Thank you. You're welcome. Here is your water. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Not quite. I'd like a few minutes to look at the menu. Of course. Take your time. Thank you. Let's see. There are so many choices. Excuse me. Yes? What would you recommend? Our grilled chicken sandwich is very popular. It comes with lettuce, tomato, cheese, and fries. That sounds good. Is it spicy? No, it's not spicy at all. Good. I don't usually eat spicy food. We also have a vegetable soup. It's one of our most popular soups. What vegetables are in it? It has carrots, potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and celery. That sounds delicious. Is it vegetarian? Yes, it is. Great. I think I'd like to try the soup. Would you like anything else? Yes, I'd like a salad too. Certainly. What kind of dressing would you like? What choices do you have? We have ranch, Italian, Caesar, and balsamic. I'll have Italian, please. Would you like the dressing on the salad or on the side? On the side, please. No problem. Would you like some bread with your meal? Yes, please. That would be great. I'll bring some bread with your meal. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me look at the menu one more time. Actually, I think I'm ready. Great. What would you like? I'll start with the vegetable soup. And I'll have the salad with Italian dressing on the side. Anything else? Yes, I'd also like the grilled chicken sandwich. Would you like regular fries or sweet potato fries? Regular fries, please. All right, and what would you like to drink? I'll have a cup of coffee. Would you like milk or sugar? A little milk, please, no sugar. Got it. Let me make sure I have everything. One vegetable soup, one salad with Italian dressing on the side, one grilled chicken sandwich with regular fries, and one coffee with a little milk. Is that everything? Yes, that's everything. Perfect. I'll put your order in. Thank you. You're welcome. While you wait for your food, you look around the restaurant. There are people talking at the tables. Someone is laughing near the window. The smell of fresh bread is coming from the kitchen. A few minutes later, excuse me. Yes? Could I have some more water, please? Of course. I'll bring some right away. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Yes? Could I ask you something about the soup? Of course. What is today's soup? Today's soup is tomato soup. Oh, that sounds good. Is it creamy? Yes, it has a little cream in it. Is it vegetarian? Yes, it is. In that case, Could I change my soup? Sure. What would you like instead? I'd like the tomato soup instead of the vegetable soup. No problem. I'll change that for you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. A few minutes later, your food is ready. Here is your tomato soup. Thank you. And here is your salad. Thank you. Your chicken sandwich will be out shortly. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thanks. The soup looks delicious. Let's try it. Wow, this is really good. It's warm, but not too hot. The flavor is excellent. The salad looks fresh too. The dressing is really good. And here comes the sandwich. The chicken looks tender, the bread is fresh, and the fries look crispy. Everything looks great. Let's try it. That's really good. The chicken is delicious. Excuse me. Yes? How is everything? Everything is great, thank you. I'm glad to hear that. Is there anything else I can bring you? Actually, yes. Could I have another glass of water? Of course. I'll bring one right away. Thank you. You're welcome. A little later, imagine that something is wrong with your food. You don't need to be rude. You can explain the problem politely. Excuse me. Yes? I'm sorry, but the soup is a little too salty for me. I'm sorry about that. Would you like another soup? Yes, please. That would be very helpful. Of course. I'll bring you another one. Thank you. You're welcome. Now imagine that something is missing from your meal. Excuse me. Yes? I ordered fries with my sandwich, but I don't see them here. I'm very sorry. I'll bring them right away. Thank you. You're welcome. Now let's imagine that you have a food allergy. This is an important situation. Before ordering, you should ask about the ingredients. For example, does this contain peanuts? Does this contain dairy? Does this contain eggs? You can also explain your allergy directly. I'm allergic to peanuts. I can't eat dairy. I can't eat gluten. When you have an allergy, speak clearly and make sure the restaurant understands. If you are unsure about an ingredient, ask before eating the food. Let's continue with the restaurant conversation. Excuse me. Yes? I have a question about the chicken sandwich. Sure. Does it have mayonnaise? Yes, it does. Could I have it without mayonnaise? Absolutely. I'll make a note of that. Thank you. You're welcome. Now imagine you are having dinner with a friend. What are you thinking about ordering? I'm not sure yet. The pasta looks pretty good. Yes, it does. Have you tried it before? Yes, it's really good. What does it come with? It comes with vegetables and a light tomato sauce. That sounds good. I think I'll try it. I'm going to get the chicken. Good choice. Should we get an appetizer? Maybe. What do they have? They have garlic bread, a small salad, soup, and fried vegetables. The garlic bread sounds good. Let's get some. Excuse me. Yes? Could we have an order of garlic bread, please? Certainly. Anything else? No, thank you. That's all for now. I'll bring it right out. Thank you. A few minutes later, here is your garlic bread. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. It smells amazing. It does. Let's try it. Wow, that's really good. I'm glad we ordered it. Me too. After dinner, you look at the dessert menu. Excuse me. Yes? Could we see the dessert menu? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. Let's see. They have chocolate cake, cheesecake, ice cream, apple pie, and brownies. The cheesecake sounds good. I think I'll have the chocolate cake. Would you like ice cream with your cake? Yes, please. What flavor? Vanilla, please. And I'll have the cheesecake. Would you like anything to drink? I'll have some coffee. And I'll have tea, please. Of course, I'll bring everything shortly. Thank you. Here is your chocolate cake with vanilla ice cream. Thank you. And here is your cheesecake. Thank you. Enjoy your dessert. Thank you. This cake is delicious. The ice cream is really good too. I'm glad we ordered dessert. Me too. You have to try the cheesecake. Really? Yes. Try a little. Wow. That's excellent. Now you have to try the cake. Sure. That's really good too. After you finish your meal, it's time to pay. You can politely ask for the check. Excuse me. Yes. Could we have the check, please? Of course. I'll bring it right over. Thank you. You're welcome. Here is your check. Thank you. Would you like to pay together or separately? Together, please. Your total is $38.50. Okay, can I pay with a card? Yes, we accept credit and debit cards. Great, thank you. You're welcome. The payment is complete. Thank you for coming. Did you enjoy your meal? Yes, everything was excellent. I'm glad to hear that. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. You have now completed a full restaurant conversation in English. You practiced how to enter a restaurant, how to get a table, how to ask about the menu, how to order food, how to order drinks, how to ask about ingredients, how to make a special request, how to solve a problem with your order, how to order dessert, and how to pay for your meal. These are everyday English skills. You don't need difficult English to communicate in a restaurant. Simple sentences are often the best sentences. You can speak slowly. You can ask questions. And you can ask someone to repeat something if you don't understand. For example, sorry, could you repeat that? Could you speak a little more slowly? What does that mean? Could you explain that, please? These are useful sentences to remember. Now, let's finish with a natural restaurant conversation. Listen carefully and imagine that you are there. Good evening. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? No, we don't. There are two of us. No problem. Right this way. Thank you. Here are your menus. Thank you. Would you like something to drink? I'll have some water. And I'll have an iced tea. Certainly. I'll be right back. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Almost. Could we have another minute? Of course. Thank you. Okay, I think we're ready now. What would you like? I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich. Would you like fries with that? Yes, please. And I'll have the vegetable pasta. Would you like any appetizers? Yes. Could we get some garlic bread? Absolutely. Anything else? No, that's all. Great. I'll put your order in. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. Yes? Could we have some more water? Of course. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's your garlic bread. Thank you. And here's your chicken sandwich. Thank you. Your pasta will be out shortly. Okay, thank you. Enjoy your meal. Thanks. Excuse me. Yes? Could I get the pasta without cheese? Certainly. I'll have that changed for you. Thank you. You're welcome. Here's your pasta. Thank you. Everything looks delicious. Yes, it does. Let's eat. Enjoy your meal. Thank you. A little later. How is everything? It's excellent, thank you. That's wonderful. Can I get you anything else? No, we're all set. Okay, enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you. A little later. Excuse me. Yes? Could we have the check, please? Certainly. I'll bring it right over. Thank you. Here you are. Thank you. Can we pay by card? Yes. Perfect. Thank you for your help. You're very welcome. Have a great evening. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Great job. You just practiced an entire restaurant conversation in English. The goal is not to memorize every sentence. The goal is to become comfortable using simple English in real situations. Listen to this lesson again, speak along with the conversation, and practice saying the sentences out loud. The more you practice, the easier speaking will become. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing. Thank you for learning with Easy English Lessons. I'll see you in the next lesson.